This is part 9 of cloud computing tutorial. In our previous two videos, we discussed public and private clouds. In this video, we'll discuss what is a hybrid cloud, benefits, limitations, and use cases. As the name implies, a hybrid cloud is hybrid. That is, it's a combination of both the private cloud and the public cloud. It's not a different cloud altogether, it's just that both the private cloud and public cloud work together to meet our organization requirements. I mean, it offers the best of both the worlds. For example, we can use the private cloud for security sensitive business critical operations like financial reporting, and the public cloud for high volume, low security needs such as web based email. In a hybrid cloud, we have a concept called cloud bursting. This sounds like a fancy technical term, but all it means is the following. Let's say you have an application or a service. To start with, it's hosted and running in your own private cloud. The application continues to run in your private cloud until there is a spike in the demand. When there is a spike in demand, burst through to the public cloud to tap into the additional computing resources provided by the public cloud. When the spike in demand subsides, you scale down just to your private cloud and no longer use the public cloud resources. Now, if you're wondering, why will there be a sudden spike in demand? Well, there are a number of reasons. Maybe you're launching a new business or product line. Seasonal events like online Christmas shopping or tax filing, for example, may also increase the traffic and hence the spike in demand to your application or service. With private cloud, you only have so much physical infrastructure. How much you can scale up depends on that physical infrastructure. Beyond certain point, if you want to scale up, you have to buy additional hardware. And this is not only expensive, but also time consuming to procure and set up. And then when the spike in demand subsides, we are no longer using this additional infrastructure. Now, let's look at the benefits of hybrid cloud. The obvious benefit is a hybrid cloud provides best of both the worlds, that is private and public clouds. Better control. With the hybrid cloud, you have better control on what runs where. For example, you can use the private cloud for security sensitive applications and the public cloud for those applications that have high volumes of traffic but not that security sensitive. Cost effective. With the hybrid cloud, you only use public cloud resources when you need them. That is, when there is a sudden spike in demand, you burst through to the public cloud to use that additional computing power provided by the public cloud. When the demand subsides, you scale down just to your private cloud. Next, let's look at the limitations of hybrid cloud. Low visibility and control. Just like a public cloud, even in a hybrid cloud, you don't have much visibility and control over the infrastructure that is owned by the public cloud service provider. Additional complexity. Integrating private cloud with public cloud introduces additional infrastructure complexity. Also, it involves considerable effort, time, and complexity to maintain and evolve these two different types of clouds as the organization needs change. Compliance and legal risks. Since you don't have much visibility and control over the public cloud infrastructure, you're relying on the public cloud service provider to protect data and adhere to local and international regulations. Your company may still be liable if the public cloud service provider fails to live up to the task and if there is a data breach. Cost concerns. If you use the public cloud resources for a very long time, the overall price tag may be higher than what you have anticipated. Next, use cases. Hybrid cloud provides best of both the worlds, that is, private and public clouds. For example, you are an IT company and provide services to two different sets of clients. For one set of clients, security is not a massive concern. They just want to scale up and down at will. For this set of clients, you can use the public cloud resources. For the other set of clients, security is the most important thing and they want to have complete and rigorous control over the cloud infrastructure. For this set of clients, you can use the private cloud resources. So the point that I'm trying to make is a hybrid cloud allows you to switch between different delivery models depending on your client's security and scalability requirements. That's it in this video. Thank you for listening.